Unforgettable life stories of great personalities are like drops of water that soothe in the times of excruciating pain when faith is about to come in question. बुक नेम महापुरुषों के अविस्मरणीय जीवन प्रसंग भाग 1 अनफॉरगेटेबल लाइफ स्टोरीज ऑफ ग्रेट पर्सनालिटीज. द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ लाइफ स्टोरीज ऑफ ग्रेट पर्सनालिटीज. Self-study of unforgettable life stories of inspiring personalities from history often serve as the best solution during the hour of need, especially when the self-proclaimed people of character are available in plenty around us but do not practice what they preach. When do we need such stories in our lives? Pretty much always. But more so when the queries arising in our minds during times of uncertainty need to be resolved by going through the chapters of life of those who battled and came out shining in a similar situation. Inspiration and motivation are most crucial gems that everybody seeks, consciously or subconsciously. And there are less things that inspire than what has been done by great personalities, because that gives us the confidence that we too can wade through our problems and achieve greatness, something that all of us are destined for. Glad to present to you a book which is a reservoir of such beautiful and inspiring life stories. What does this book compilation consist of? This book contains real stories of current and past inspiring personalities from India and across the world who have been a beacon of light in the field of social and cultural reforms, science, philosophy, politics, spirituality and scientific spirituality, nation building, freedom struggles, social work, education, literary endeavors, human rights, medicines. Everyone who questioned the status quo for the betterment of humanity and society and offered their entire life into furthering the cause helped raise our understanding and inspire us to move on in the right path. Hundreds of beautiful and inspiring life stories have been covered in the book under various topics like cultural reforms, Socrates, Rishi Parshuram, Gautam Buddha, King Ashoka, Jesus Christ, Rishi Panini, Kumaral Bhatt, Confucius, Shankaracharya, Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans, and many more. Spiritual and religious reformers, Swami Vivekanand, Saint Peter, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Fakir Azizuddin, Sri Aurobindo, Guru Nanak, Maharshi Raman, Sant Tukaram, Sant Raidas, Sayyid Abdul Qadir, and many more. Messengers of humanity, Swami Sahajanand, Jyotiba Phule, Tailang Swami, Narayan Guru, Ambubai Purani, Bhim, Rishi Dadhiji, Sir John Woodruff, and many more. Devout patriots and nation builders, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Lala Hardayal, Maharshi Karve, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Dr. Ambedkar, Ramanand Chattopadhyay, Nagarjun, and many more. Helping the humanity through their endeavors, Dr. Martin Luther King, Voltaire, Romain Rolland, Maxim Gorky, Dr. Bhabha, Louis Pasteur, Max Planck, Dr. Linus Pauling, Sant Vinoba Bhave, Oppenheimer, and many more. Few excerpts from the book. No doubt, whatever you achieve in life is due to God's grace, but the main credit goes to the person's efforts. I was hungry, you gave me food. I was thirsty, you gave me water. I was homeless, you sheltered me. I was sick, you treated my illness. I was in distress, you gave me love and peace. Good people asked, when did I provide you with water, food, shelter? Jesus replied, this is a fact. Whenever you help a person in trouble, you are indeed helping me. Even if you do a slight injustice to society, it should be corrected by doing a good act. Knowledge is infinite, so keep on gaining more and more. The more you get, the more wise you become.